Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best electric vehicle charger. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. First of all, EVIQO Level 2 Electric Vehicle Charger. 40 amp, 9.6 kilowatts 240V wall home EV charger level 2. NEMA 14 to 50 plug. J1772 25-foot cable, enhanced Wi-Fi, UL. ETL certified EVSE, smart electric vehicle charging stations, Gen 2. Fast 40A EV level 2 charger, 8x faster than basic portable EV charger. Power up at 9.6 kilowatts up to 38 miles per hour. EV chargers for home level 2 requires a 240V NEMA 14 to 50 receptacle UL. ETL, FCC and Energy Star certified, EVIQO electric vehicle charger is eligible for rebates and incentives, including 30% federal tax credit. Mainboard steel shielding protects the internals of the EV charging station. External reset button clears faults in seconds. NEMA 4/IP66 housing survives rain, snow, sleet, heat, and dust. Enhanced Wi-Fi antenna plus smart app, advanced Wi-Fi keeps EVIQO EV car charger level 2 online in garage and basement. Control start/stop, set 6-48 current with 1 step, set schedules for your electric car charger and charge off-peak, get reminders and track consumption/cost right in the app. Remote OTA firmware updates. Universal J1772 charger, 25-foot EV charging cord reaches any spot. Works with every EV/PHEV in North America. Heavy-duty fully rubberized J1772 connector. Operates as a Tesla home charger with NACS adapter. 5 minutes installation, plug and charge EVSE level 2 charger out of the box, no electrician needed. 3-year warranty, backed by US-based customer support Monday through Saturday 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Time. EVIQO works as VW ID4 home charger, Nissan Leaf charger. Ford Mach-E charger, Ioniq 5 charger, Chevy Bolt charger, Chevy Volt charger, Jeep Level 2 charger and Honda Prologue charger. Works with Kia, i4, 9, Mercedes, Mazda, Genesis, Hummer, Audi and 30 plus other car OEM. Number 2. Level 2 Electric Vehicle, EV, Charger. Portable EV car charging stations for home level 2. Amperage, 32 amps. Manufacturer, Autel. Connector type, NEMA 14 to 50 plug. Brand, Autel. Color, black, for J1772 cars. Equipped with NEMA 14 to 50 plug, compatible with 110-120V NEMA 5-15P to 14-50 or EV adapter or the other. EV adapter cable, suggest installed a 240V NEMA 14 to 50 plug-in socket. Kindly note when using the 5-15P adapter, 1. The RV adapter cable doesn't work for EV chargers, please order the correct EV adapter cable. 2. It will become slow level 1 electron volt charging and some cars may drop to 12A, the max charging rate is 1.32-1.8 kW, 110V times 12A-120V times 15A. Features a J1772 connector for all North America J1772 EVs/FEVs. For Tesla EVs/NACS connector cars, compatible with Ford, GM, Nissan, Audi, Kia, Honda, BMW, Kia, Hyundai, GMC, Chevy, etc. Not fits for Tesla cars/Inizi connector cars Kia EV6 2025/EV9 Aria 2025 and 2025 Ioniq 5, J1772 to Tesla adapter needed. 6x faster charging with ETL, FCC listed, meets the safety criteria defined by SA J1772, UL 2231-1/2, UL 991, UL 2231, UL 2251, UL 1998, and UL 2594. Say goodbye to slow level 1 electron volt charger. Enjoy safe charging and 6x faster charging. Number 3. EVIQO EV Charger Level 2 48 amp, Level 2 EV Charger hardwired, 240V electric vehicle charging stations. J1772 chargers 11.5 kilowatts, wall EV chargers for home. FCV charging station 25-foot cord, Gen 2. 9x faster than portable basic charger. EVIQO electric vehicle charging stations provide up to 46 m/h*, requiring connection to a minute 60 amp dedicated circuit. Unlike the 40 amp EV charger, 9.6 kWh, it provides 11.5 kWh. Adjustable current intensity, 1A increment in EVIQO app plus hardware dip switch. US-based customer support. UL, ETL, FCC and Energy Star certified, EVIQO electric vehicle charger is eligible for rebates and incentives. Mainboard steel shielding protects the internals of the EV charging station. External reset button clears faults in seconds. NEMA 4/IP66 housing survives rain, snow, sleet, heat and dust. Enhanced Wi-Fi antenna plus smart app. Advanced Wi-Fi keeps EVIQO EV car charger level 2 online in garage and basement. Control start/stop, set 6-48A current with 1A step, set schedules for your electric car charger and charge off-peak, get reminders and track consumption/cost right in the app. Remote OTA firmware updates, 2.4 GHz. Compatible with all EVs, EVIPower electric car charger level 2 is equipped with heavy-duty rubberized SEJ1772 connector compatible with all EVs/FEVs and NA, all Tesla models, Chevy Bolt, Chevy Volt, VW ID4, Nissan Leaf, Polestar 2, Ford Mach-E, Ioniq 5 of 6, Kia Nino, EV6, EV9, Mercedes EQS, Audi, RAV4, Jeep Wrangler 4xe level 2 charger. This is J1772 level 2 charger, adapter required for Tesla. Number 4. Autel Home Level 2 EV Charger up to 50 amp 240V, indoor-outdoor car charging station, flexible 25-foot cable, hardwired, silver. Amperage, 50 amps. Main power connector type, 2-pin. Power plug type, no plug. Wattage, 12 kW. Manufacturer, Autel. Connector type, SAE J1772. Power source, corded electric. Brand, Autel. Color, silver. Trusted brand, Autel has brought its nearly 20 years of automotive testing and software development experience into the design of this super-efficient smart EV charger. 2 years of research and engineering led to the development of the Maxi Charger AC Home, known for its safety, innovative features, and attractive design. Compatible with all electric cars, tested on leading EV models, Kia EV6, Ford Mustang Mach-E, Nissan, Chevrolet Volt and Bolt EV, BMW i3, Tesla, Hyundai Ioniq 5 and many more. High-speed charging, with 12 kilowatts providing up to 50A charging, speed will never be an issue. Adding 37 miles per charging hour, you'll never have to wait and worry about a full vehicle charge with the Maxi Charger Home. An updated 25-foot durable cable is flexible no matter how cold the season is, so you can charge with confidence in even the coldest of temperatures, -40 degrees Celsius. Safe and reliable, the Autel Maxi Charger is easy for any electrician to install. A 3-year warranty, app automatic updates, and 24/7 local support from Autel's service team means you'll never have to worry about quality and service. Number 5. Autel Level 2 EV Charger 40 amp Home Smart AI Electric Vehicle EV Charger. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled EVSE with in-body holster and 25-foot cable NEMA 14 to 50 plug. Brand, Autel. Color, dark Gary. Product dimensions, 3.3-inch DX 7.5 WX 13.2H. Output voltage, 240 volts. Specification met, CSA. Trusted brand, Autel has been making automotive intelligent diagnostic, inspection, and analysis products since 2004. The Maxi Charger AC Home was developed over 2 years from a full team of designers and engineers to bring you the safest, smartest, and one of the best-looking chargers on the market. Easy to install both indoors or out, just 5 minutes to install and plug into a pre-existing NEMA 14 to 50 receptacle. Save thousands of dollars in installation costs. A plug-in model is easier to mount and dismount and to take with you if you move, giving you the ultimate in convenience. Autel Charger app provides a range of charging speeds from 16 to 40 amps. Take control of your charging schedule to set charging start and stop to take advantage of off-peak utility charging rates. The optional start and stop RFID card functionality can prevent unauthorized use. High reliability, Autel Maxi Charger is NEMA 4X rated, offering a high level of protection from all the elements, whether installed inside or outdoors. The unit is dust-tight and watertight and thus protected against wind-blown dust and rain, splashing water, hose-directed water, and damage from external ice formation. 3-year warranty, app automatic updates, and 24/7 customer hotline from Autel service team means you'll never have to worry about quality and service. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.